all traders, and welcome to another daily market insights video. Today is Wednesday the 10th of July and we're going to talk about gold and oil. This is the week that we talk about, the day that we talk about gold and oil. Now gold, there's been some interesting developments around the trade talks. Mr. Trump seems to be taking a softer stance now against Xi, as he's promised during G20. So all the protests around in Hong Kong against, of course, a controversial extradition bill that could allow now criminals to enter the city of China is taking place, is causing tensions in China and Hong Kong, and Mr. Trump seemed to be a little bit softer against what is happening, because he doesn't want to compromise any of these sort of latest developments happening around the oil, around the trade war talks. So there is good chances that, fundamentally speaking, gold is going to go a little bit low, correct a little bit lower because of this. Now oil on the other side, there seems to be weakening demand. Okay, so that is probably going to let prices just slip a little bit lower on the fundamental front, and because of OPEC. Okay, now we have the weekly reports today from EIA, and it's very interesting to see where oil is going to head. Both fundamentals and technical looking at the same direction, and this is very important. On the economic calendar today, we expect some data from the UK, manufacturing projection, if not mistaken, as well the GDP. We have the first testimony of Fed Chair Powell, very, very important for global economies, and then the BOC interest rate decision, also very important for global economies. We will see whether the BOC is going to join the dovish club. And then, of course, later EIA crude oil stock exchange and the conference from the Bank of Japan. Later in the night, FOMC minutes, and of course, Bullard's speech. Now, down on the charts, I'm going to start with the gold, since we broke outside here. Actually, we're moving on an ABC, right? So in the longer term, we're looking at C to still be completed. How is this going to happen after breaking outside this triangle? We're looking now at wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are in wave 4, correction, and we completed wave A. We are in process of doing wave B. Okay, so that could, in my opinion, end as a triangle or something like that. It looks like it. Then we'll probably have a throwback to go around 1350 or so, 50 Fibonacci retracement, and shoot all the way up to around 1500s. Okay, the retest could come a little bit lower at the previous trend line. Last point of invalidation will be 1266, but I doubt prices will go down there. Now on the oil quickly, I want to start with the daily. We were looking at this as an impulse and an ABC correction. Okay, now of course after this correction we now expect another impulse to the downside. Okay, we have completed wave 4, or yeah, it looks like we have completed wave 4 now, and we're looking for wave 5 to come through. How is this going to likely play out? Since we moved outside this trend line, right? This months-long channel, and we had a retest. How this is going to play out is probably, since we have one wave, 2, 3, a correction, ABC correction for wave 4, that prices didn't go above this level, and we are also stopping at 61 Fibonacci retracement between the low and the high. Okay, we are looking at prices now to move lower. Okay, we had the ABC, or it could be an ABC, something like that. But the thing is that we're most likely looking at another impulse to the downside. So this is probably a consolidation area. If you ask me, we're going to see prices moving lower, having a retest, break outside this level, having a retest here, and then move all the way back. We're looking at least 51, and then break below 50, going for 45s or so to complete wave 5. So this is all for the day. Pay attention on Fed's testimony, very, very critical for the quarter, or even actually for a longer period of time. and EIA crude oils and bonds, and as well as the BOC. I want to thank you for being with us for another day. I would always like to remind you to keep an eye on our blog, as well. We'll cover the latest ideas, provide the latest in news and headlines, and also all the necessary tools and trader needs.